Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is 77th World Health Assembly. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. In a landmark achievement in the global health security agenda, the 77th World Health Assembly agreed to the package of amendments to the International Health Regulations, that is IHR 2005, based on proposals made by member countries after the COVID-19 pandemic. Now let's discuss about World Health Assembly. The 77th World Health Assembly is being held in Geneva, Switzerland. The theme of this year's Health Assembly is All for Health, Health for All. The World Health Assembly is the main decision-making body of WHO and is comprised of 194 member states. Every year, generally in May, delegates from all member states come together to agree on the organization's priorities and policies. Now moving on to major outcomes of 77th WHA. The targeted amendments to the International Health Regulations aim at improving countries' ability to prepare for and respond to public health emergencies of international concern, that is PHEIC, and pandemic emergencies. They include provisions for facilitating equitable access to relevant health products during PHEIC and PE. Mobilizing financial resources to support developing countries in building, strengthening, and maintaining the core capacities required under the IHR 2005. Member states approved a draft resolution on improving organ transplantation availability, including human cells and tissues. It also encouraged the establishment of a World Donor Day to raise public awareness and donations. Introducing a definition of a pandemic emergency to trigger more effective international collaboration in response to events that are at risk of becoming or have become a pandemic. A commitment to solidarity and equity on strengthening access to medical products and financing. An establishment of the State Parties Committee to facilitate the effective implementation of the amended regulations. Now let's discuss about Global Pandemic Treaty. According to WHO, talks aimed at reaching a global agreement on how to better fight pandemics will be concluded by 2025 or earlier if possible. The WHO member states have been negotiating for 2 years on an agreement that could increase collaboration before and during pandemics after the acknowledged failures during COVID-19. During this 77th WHA agreement, talks have been extended amid deep divisions between rich and poorer countries on issues like vaccine sharing and preparedness. WHO member states launched the process to develop the world's first pandemic accord to prevent a repeat of the global health, economic, and social impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic at a special session of the World Health Assembly in December 2021. Now let's discuss about India and 77th World Health Assembly, that is WHA. India played a key role in helping countries to agree to the adoption of International Health Regulations, that is IHR 2005, at the 77th WHA. It also highlighted its commitment to implement proactive actions for women, children, and adolescent health and well-being. India held bilateral meetings with the Global Fund and acknowledged its continued support towards the elimination of 3 diseases in India: tuberculosis, HIV/AIDS, and malaria. Now is the time for practice question. Consider the following statements. 1. The 77th World Health Assembly is being held in Geneva, Switzerland. 2. World Health Assembly is the main decision-making body of WHO. 3. Recently, 77th World Health Assembly agreed to the package of amendments to the International Health Regulations IHR 2005. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.